Hello children. I hope all of you are keeping well. In my last video, I have read and explained the chapter A True Friend of our English Reader book. Today, we will do the exercise portion. But before that, we will do the new words. So, let's start. Managed, jealous, practicing, athletics, determined, arrived, path, supposed, performance, punished, ashamed, seriously, injured, deserve, admitted, realized, betray, secure, apologized, bitterly, announced, surprised, agreed, topped, congratulate, indeed, and remained. Now move on to the question answer portion. Start with A4. Tick the appropriate answer. Here, along with the question, there are 3 options given and you have to choose the right one. So let's start. Rahul was jealous of Raj because he always won in cycling, always stood first, was good at heart. And the right option is always won in cycling. Second one. Rahul dug a small pit on the path because he wanted to dirty the track, hurt Raj, win the race. And the right answer is win the race. Third, Rahul worked hard for the term end examination because he was competing with Raj. The principal had given him a warning. He was feeling guilty. And the right answer is the principal had given him a warning. Now move on to the next question. A5. Read the given extract and answer the questions that follows. I think this type of question is new to you. Extract means a small part or a line from the chapter, and on the basis of that some questions are being asked here and you have to answer that. So let's start. Do not worry, this is just a class test. Who is the speaker of the above line? Whom is he talking to? And the answer is Raj is the speaker of the above line. He is talking to Rahul. Second question. Why is the listener worried? Answer. The listener is worried because he has not performed well in the class test. Third question. What does the statement tell you about the speaker's character? Answer. The statement tells us that Raj is a good boy and he really cares for his friend. Now move on to the next question. A6. Complete the dialogue between Raj and Rahul, where Rahul apologizes to Raj for his act. Here, the red line means there is a blank and you have to fill in with correct or appropriate word. So, start. Rahul dash Raj. Raj, what are you sorry for? Rahul, you don't know, but I had dash where you were supposed to run. Raj, why did you do that? Rahul, I wanted to dash, but now dash my mistake and apologize to you from the dash. Raj, I am happy that you have dash your mistake. I dash. Let's be dash again. So let's fill the blanks with the appropriate answer. Rahul, I am extremely sorry. Raj. Raj, what are you sorry for? Rahul, you don't know, but I had dug a pit where you were supposed to run. Raj, why did you do that? Rahul, I wanted to win the race. But now I have realized my mistake and apologize to you from the core of my heart. Raj, I am happy that you have realized your mistake. I forgive you. Let's be friends again. So, this much for today. Again, in the next video, we will deal the rest of the question answers. Till then, take care, stay at home. Bye.